Hi, I'm Carla Hunter, a career advisor at University of Phoenix. Today, we will be going over 5 tips to build a strong LinkedIn profile. Along with your resume, a strong LinkedIn profile can be the key to helping you with your career search. Many recruiters use LinkedIn to vet candidates, making LinkedIn a critical site for job seekers. If you don't have an account, creating one is your first step. Consider checking out a few profiles to see what others have built. Ask yourself what you'd like to achieve on LinkedIn. Maybe find a job, or build a network, or even market your own business. Remember, your appearance on LinkedIn is important. A professional photo will help you make your best first impression, so dress the way you would at work and no selfies. Your headline is searchable. That means the headline you write for yourself should be filled with searchable keywords that will help you make the right connections. Another way of writing your LinkedIn headline is with a sentence starting with "I help" and describing what you do or want to be doing. The summary section is the heart of your profile. Create a LinkedIn summary that showcases your strengths and personality. Imagine your career as an epic tale with you as the hero of the story. Tell people what you do, why you do it, and share the results of your hard work. When it comes to making connections, start with friends, coworkers, and colleagues you know. Try to build at least 50 connections if possible by asking coworkers for recommendations. These first-level connections are some of the most important and can help you discover second-level connections. If you want to learn more about building your LinkedIn profile, our downloadable guide includes additional tips. Click the link in the description to learn more. If you liked today's video, subscribe to our University of Phoenix YouTube channel for more great career content. And if you have questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.